title. It's called Reflections on Sound, 20 Hertz for this project. It will be a series of projects. The first one is called 20 Hertz. And the reason it's called 20 Hertz is because that's the lowest frequency that us humans can pick up, but also it's the end of silence. The project is about responding to the space that you actually are and you work. We measured the school space and we took into account all the materials that the space is made of. And with the help of a software, we created a 3D model of the actual space to analyze how sound behaves, so we could create a visual representation of that behavior. I think this project was really great because it started as as an idea, as a conceptual philosophical approach into something, and then it was like, how do you go about to create a visual outcome with techniques of floristry? You know, the boundaries are blurred and you're creating like interdisciplinary work. You know, you're taking things from different disciplines, and I think that's where it becomes really, really, really interesting. And it's very important also for the students to be able to have these opportunities to work in this way, and to see how a creative process can be, where it can depart, and you know, the possibilities are endless, and where it will lead and in what ways. I think it's very important.